Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about the fill method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider them leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's see what fill does. First of all, I'm going to console log here fill. And the fill method fills the specified elements in an array with a static value. So what does this mean? Well, let's first of all create a const. Let's call it fruits. And we're going to create here a couple of fruit strings. So let's see, banana, let's get an A there. Let's say orange. Then let's also give it the apple and a mango. So we got our 4 fruits. Now we can console log fruits and it's going to return the array of fruits. Now, please note that this method, so the fill method, will overwrite the original array. So if I would now type in here fruits, so call upon the array dot fill, I'm going to use the fill method and pass in here another fruit, kiwi, for example. Now, if I console log the fruits again, our fruits array, you can see that all of the elements within our fruits were replaced with kiwi. Now, you could also specify the position where to start and where to end the fill method. And also, if it's not specified, all of the elements will be filled, as you can see in our example. So we could do something like fruits again. We're going to use fill. And let's say we're going to fill with apple from the position 1 to 3. Okay, let's hit enter. Let's console log our fruits again. And let's see what we got. So fruits, and as you can see, the position 1, this is 0, this is 1, then we got 2, but it stops at 3, so between 1 and 3, the kiwi was replaced with apple. Okay, so hope you got our fill method, so we can move on now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.